Hi guys, I just want to share one of the biggest milestone in our life right now because finally after 3 years, we are starting to renovate our future home. Just a quick backstory, last 2022 when we decided na kumuha ng house sa Pampanga through bank financing. Then last August 2023, nung officially na turn over na sa amin yung property. Marami nagtatanong bakit nga ba sa Pampanga? The answer is because during that time, Pampanga based kasi yung work ni MJ. Ang plano namin, imbes na mag-uwian siya from Pampanga to Rizal o tumira sa staff house, doon na lang kami mag-umpisang bumuo ng sarili naming bahay. Sounds perfect, right? Karaan dali niya lang gawin. Pero minsan talaga iba ang plano ni Lord because hindi nagtagal nag-resign si MJ at nakakuha siya ng work na Manila base. So imagine, yung bahay nasa Pampanga, then yung trabaho nasa Maynila. Ang layo, di ba? So ang ending nun, natenga lang yung bahay. Aside from that, bare unit pa din kasi itong nakuha naming bahay and kailangan talaga na malaking renovation bago namin malipatan. Malaking renovation means malaking budget din ang need namin para makalipat. Fast forward to this year, 2026, biglang gusto na naman ni MJ bumalik sa Pampanga. Gusto niya ulit mag-Pampanga base for work. Noong una akala ko joke lang, pero seryoso pala. At doon na nag-umpisa ulit yung usapan namin. Paano ba natin mapapaayos yung bahay? And the biggest challenge is, saan ba tayo kukuha ng budget pampaayos ng bahay? Pero despite that, here we are, nagsisimula na rin yung renovation sa bahay. Nakaka-excite, nakakakapa, and honestly, parang hindi pa rin kami makapaniwala na renovation day is finally here. So, we plan to document our entire journey from renovation updates, budget tips, home decision, hanggang sa mga maliliit at malalaking milestone along the way. We are super excited for this new milestone and we will be posting updates soon. So yeah, see ya!